Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Dogelonmars price prediction and Dogelonmars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogelonmars in 2022. Dogelonmars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelonmars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, Dogelonmars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised to do due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. Studio Trippy Labs, with its largest single donation, coming from a $6.5 million crowdfunded NFT sale on March 2nd, to which OnlyFans' 500th donation contributed. At the point that OnlyFans made the 500th donation, the DAO was stalled at about half of the 1,000th reserve amount, a representative said. The OnlyFans donation pushed the amount over the top, and from that point on, more donations began to pile in. And second news today is First Mover Asia. India loses foreign investment, Chinese indices continue a downward trend, cryptos suffer an off day. The glory was temporary. Little more than 24 hours after bolting past $40,000 as the release of a US presidential executive order approached, Bitcoin, BTC, was on its way down past the psychologically important barrier. By early Thursday, the largest cryptocurrency by market value had settled at around $39,500. Ether, ETH, and almost all other altcoins in the CoinDesk top 20 by market cap spent much of their day well into the red. Cryptos and other assets continue to receive a buffeting from Russia's escalating military campaign against neighboring Ukraine, because of the economic make good products than dollars when inflation is high. In a recent tweet, Elon Musk, technicking of Tesla, attempted to both question the likelihood of continued inflation over the next couple of years, and soothe concerns of his followers looking for advice as it relates to dealing with inflation, by stating I still own, and won't sell my Bitcoin. What are your thoughts about probable inflation rate over next few years? Musk asked his followers. With an inflation rate of 7.9% reported for the month of February 2022, this represents the highest levels of inflation since January 1982. Energy remained the biggest contributor, 25.6% versus 27% in January, with gasoline prices surging 38%, 40% in January, reported the Trading Economics. As a sentiment most would echo, the founder of Tesla encouraged his followers to pursue assets outside of cash when inflation becomes rampant. As a general principle, for those looking for advice from this thread, it is generally better to own physical things like a home or stock in companies you think make good products, than dollars when inflation is high. JPX, we're creating fake names, logos, and URLs that look similar to those used by JPX, such JPX, JPEX, and Japan Exchange, on both their platform and advertising campaigns. This is not even the first time when scams using prominent brands have come to the fore, as many legitimate cryptocurrency companies are also suffering from the same debacle. Recently, Hong Kong-based venture capital firm Animoca Brands issued a warning which highlighted how an ERC-20 token called Animoca Brands Metaverse had registered under its name and was pretending to be affiliated with the company. Nevertheless, JPX warning has come at a time when the company is on the path to test and possibly integrate blockchain and distributed ledger technology into the traditional financial system. For instance, it recently began researching digitally tracked green bonds, which utilize security tokens. The additional $1 million donation planned to be sent March 15. These tragic events have had a terrible impact on individuals including members of our creator community, Ami Gan, CEO of OnlyFans, said in a statement. Given our strong personal ties to Ukraine, we wanted to support in a way which felt true to who we are at OnlyFans, and which focused on getting aid and support to the Ukrainian people. The DAO has been a leading crypto contributor to Ukraine's government in recent weeks, which has now received over $50 million in crypto donations since tweeting out its Ether, ETH, and Bitcoin, BTC, addresses in February. The DAO was formed by Russian R Collective Pussy Riot and non-fungible token, NF investments like real estate, or the stocks of stable companies, instead of keeping the US dollar, adding that he himself is still holding on to his Bitcoin, Ether, and Dogecoin and doesn't plan to liquidate his portfolio anytime soon. As a general principle, for those looking for advice from this thread, it is generally better to own physical things like a home, or stock in companies you think make good products than dollars when inflation is high. I still own, and won't sell my Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Doge, declared Musk. As expected, Musk's tweet triggered a sudden pump in the price of Dogecoin, Doge, pushing the meme coin from around $0.111 at 410 UTC to as high as $0.122 by 417 UTC. However, the digital asset has since some of this initiative is to improve the transparency of data and efficiency of data collection through the blockchain, while also improving the operational efficiency of bond issuance through digitization. Albeit, the company is yet to offer cryptocurrency trading opportunities to Japanese investors. However, Japanese regulators overlooking the country's vast crypto trading industry might soon ease out listing rules for crypto exchanges, according to recent reports. This would reportedly allow the exchange to list a dozen coins in one go without the lengthy screening process they are currently subjected to. This could provide a further boost to exchanges in the country, which currently feature only a handful of digital tokens on their platforms. At the same time, its largest bank, MUFG Trust, is also utilizing the blockchain to provide utility tokens in the form of NFTs to its larger shareholders, where paper discount coupons were once offered. Previously, the bank had also announced support for security tokens and stablecoins issued by multiple firms on its private blockchain Progmat. Elon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Dogelon Mars price will be almost $0.0000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.0000326. Dogelon Mars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.0000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelon Mars could cross $0.0000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. Elon rate prediction 2027 Dogelon Mars will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, Elon is expected to trigger a $0.0000709 rate hike by the end of 2027. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogelon Mars will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Elon will be between $0.0000600 and $0.0000617 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Elon changes from $0.0000600 to $0.0000709 for 2027. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2028 The current price range of Dogelon Mars may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Elon could reach $0.0001049 by 2028, with an average rate of $0.